This is the NOKIA G60, and today we are going to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So first of all, launch settings, then enter the network and internet category over here, then choose what particular SIM card, if you have two installed of course, you would like to check the cellular data usage for. So I'll go with the first one, let's say. And at the following page, over here at this little bar, or this little line, you'll be able to see how much of a cellular data you have used during the current period of time. The same goes for the SIM card number 2, like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.